Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ complete from ChatGPT. Right now, I feel like pointers have been really stepping me, especially the smart ones, because maybe I'm not smart enough for smart pointers. But I feel like we're using ChatGPT 4.0. I feel like it's got a lot of potential to get me through this, like a private instructor. And it would probably be maybe more useful than just simply watching YouTube videos. So I'm going to try to take advantage of that. The prompt I've designed is this. I feel like I'm still struggling with pointers. Could you try to make a more interactive lesson, maybe with images and or model/diagrams starting from function pointers until the end of smart pointers? So everything we've reviewed so far. So I'm curious about the image part because I know it can generate image just by itself. I'm not sure it can actually embed it with the lesson. Okay, let's go through this. A function pointer is a pointer that points to a function. It allows functions to be passed as arguments to other functions or stored in arrays. And I guess I tried to insert a diagram by linking the image. Did not work very well, which I thought would be weird because it has live data. Oh yeah, all this is pretty easy. Okay, smart pointers are going to be the hardest part of it. But we're still not really getting the diagrams. So let's see if it can teach it better this time. A unique pointer ensures exclusive ownership of resource. The resource is automatically deallocated when it goes out of scope. So we can just do this with a standard. And wait, is it freezing again? No, please. So yeah, that was very odd. I don't know why ChatGPT keeps on crashing like that. So yeah, I understand unique pointers because they're pretty simple. It's just like a unique pointer. But shared pointers, and when it really starts to kill my brain, create shared ownership, but instead of like doing this like function thing, I can declare a new pointer and basically share an ownership. So yeah, this would just get 4242, and use count would be 2. Weak pointers. It's just a smart pointer that holds a non-owning reference to an object managed by a shared pointer. It's useful for breaking cyclic references, which 2 days ago, I really would not have said that at all. And now I understand less, so I guess more of. And this is like where the syntax gets really trippy. So inside of it, I guess you want to create a weak pointer, for example, dog pointer, and a cat pointer. I guess syntax for that part is not that bad. And then you're going to have to say auto dog, and then make shared dog, make shared cat, which I guess makes it a shared thing. Yeah, you're also have to do this weird error thing. So I'm gonna tell it to walk me through this code. Oh, I just realized. So this is actually a weak pointer, and the other one's a shared pointer. That might be important later. Anyways, it doesn't explain the auto part, but oh, never mind. Okay, std make shared cat creates instances of dog and cat managed by the shared pointer. Oh, I guess that makes sense because that was just a class, and now you need to declare an instance of it. Now you need to establish your cross references with arrows, which I guess that makes sense. This tries to create a shared pointer from the weak pointer dog pointer. The dog object still alive. Then it'll be valid, but maybe I should look at these key concepts still, I guess. Okay, use to declare a class without defining, which is necessary for mutual references between them. Manage the lifetime dynamically allocated objects, allows multiple shared pointer instances to share ownership resource, holds a non-owning reference to an object, prevents cyclic references. So is the cat basically just referencing the dog, but it doesn't own the resources of the dog? I think that's what's happening. Okay, I guess that was probably the explanation I needed. Is that this shared pointer makes it so dog can be shared, and I guess this weak dog pointer makes it so the cat can access the dog. So in other words, weak pointers are just a variation of shared pointers, but instead they just hold a reference to another object and like to save resources, obviously. Well, I feel like now I kind of understand weak pointers a little bit more. I'm not sure if I would ever do it in practice, but I probably will, as this is just beyond my comprehension. And this programming is just too legit and hardcore for me to understand the actual purposes of this precise memory management. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe. Like always, bye bye.